Before you scroll away, answer one question. Have you ever known the answer but still asked, "Sir, is this correct?" Have you ever chosen a dress, a subject, a career, or even a restaurant, and then asked 5 people, "What do you think?" And after 5 opinions, were you more confident or more confused? Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Learnatural TV. You're watching Voices of My Books, and this is episode 12 of Pots of Positivity.
Usually more confused, Meera. One person says, follow your heart. Another says, use your brain. The third says, ask AI.
And the fourth says, whatever you do, government job is safest.
Exactly. We collect so many opinions that our own voice quietly leaves the meeting. Today's insight from my book Intents of Learning is to learn is to be your light.
Sir, does being our own light mean we do not need teachers, parents, or mentors?
Not at all. We need them. A teacher is like a lamp, but a good lamp does not say, remain in darkness unless I am present. A good teacher helps another lamp begin to glow. The real purpose of education is not to create permanent followers. It is to create people who can observe, think, decide, and take responsibility.
But many learners are trained to wait for instructions. Open page 42. Underline line 3. Write exactly what I wrote. Do not ask why. Then one day we say, now think independently.
Yes, that is like keeping someone in the passenger seat for 15 years and suddenly saying, drive on the highway. Independent thinking needs practice. Suppose a student asks, Sir, is my answer correct? Instead of immediately saying yes or no, the teacher can ask, What makes you think it is correct? Now the learner must examine the answer. That small question changes the learner from a receiver into a thinker.
So the goal is not to stop asking for help, but to stop surrendering our thinking.
Beautifully said. Being your own light does not mean I know everything. That is not light. That is overconfidence wearing sunglasses at night. Inner light says, I may not know, but I can observe, I can ask, I can reflect, I can learn.
Today, social media gives us advice before we even ask. One reel says, wake up at 4 a.m. Another says, protect your sleep. One says, never give up. Another says, know when to quit. By the end, we have not improved our life, but we have saved 72 motivational videos.
Exactly. Information is everywhere. Inner clarity is rare. Borrowed advice may help temporarily, but borrowed light cannot guide every road. What works for another person may not suit your age, situation, nature, or purpose. Learning helps us listen to the world without losing ourselves in its noise.
How can a person begin becoming their own light?
Before asking someone else, pause and ask yourself 4 questions. What do I already understand? What exactly is confusing me? What evidence do I have? What is one responsible next step? Even a 1 minute pause can awaken independent thought.
And what about mistakes? Many people avoid deciding because they fear being wrong.
Inner light does not guarantee a perfect road. It helps you notice when you have taken a wrong turn. A mistake honestly reflected upon becomes guidance. A mistake hidden by ego becomes a repeated syllabus.
Repeated syllabus? That hurts.
But it is true. Some people repeat the same mistake for 10 years and call it experience. Real experience includes reflection. Without reflection, time passes. With reflection, understanding grows.
So, episode 11 cleaned the mirror through reflection, and episode 12 asks us to see through our own light.
Precisely. Teachers should ask, "What do you think?" Parents should ask, "What feels meaningful to you?" Learners should ask, "What did this experience teach me?" These questions do not weaken guidance, they make guidance more powerful.
One final message for our viewers.
Do not spend your whole life waiting for permission to understand yourself. Take guidance, but do not become dependent on approval. Read books, but also read your experience. Listen to others, but do not silence your own conscience. The finest result of learning is not a person who always knows what to do. It is a person who knows how to pause, examine, and find the next responsible step.
So, today's reflection is, where are you still using borrowed light, even though your own understanding is ready to guide you? This is Meera with Dr. Sanjay Kumar on Learnatural TV. Keep learning, keep reflecting, keep shining.
Do not keep searching for someone to light your path. Learn until the light begins within you.